Okay, so today's video, money questions. What's the best way to make money? The agenda for today's video, we'll be discussing the best method. I'll be giving you a bonus method, and I'll be also giving you a second bonus method. So let's begin. The best method is a job. Not a surprise, but having a decent job will be the best way to make money for anyone starting out on the journey to getting their money right. If you're just starting out on this journey, yes, there are other methods to make money, but the best method to begin with is just to have a good, decent, stable job. You're looking for a full-time job, 37.5 hours per week, permanent. This is where you should be looking to start your journey to getting your money right. Look, a job, just over broke, is better than being broke. So don't underestimate a job. A job is a good platform to begin your journey to getting your finances sorted. And if you're just starting from square one right now, this is where you begin. Bonus method, freelancing or self-employed. You could be a self-employed or freelancer who does writing. That could be writing gigs that you do on places like Upwork. You could be a designer or editor or another creative. That's another method of freelancing or self-employment. You could be a contractor doing trades work or service-based work, maybe like a handy person, a painter, a decorator. These are free methods that you could be doing for freelancing or self-employment. There are a variety of many more, but here's some examples. It's frustrating to think about money sometimes, but please don't neglect this. Please take the time to think about your finances. Bonus method 3, business and investing. Starting a business or investing is a great way to make money, but it's not where you want to begin. This is better saved for a little later in your journey. Similar to the freelancing and the self-employment, these last two bonus methods are not where you want to begin. Where you want to begin is with your job, but once you've got the job lined up and you've got that all stable, you can then progress into these other two roles, these other two bonuses. So one way of doing a business is online. You can have an online business. So that could be like e-commerce or teaching. That could be like an agency or affiliate marketing. And there's plenty more ways to make money online from business, but here's some examples. Another method is to have an offline business. This could be a service-based business like fast food takeaway or restaurant. It could be a barbershop, landscaping business. It could be any trades business. These are some of the methods that you could use to do an offline business when the time is right. Action steps for today's video. 1. If you've got a job, I want you to find one growth opportunity within that job. I want you to take action on it, get results, and then repeat. So when I say one growth opportunity, I want you to look for something that you can do within your job to make more money. Number 2, if you freelance or self-employed, I want you to find one growth opportunity within that, take action on it, get results, and repeat. So I want you to look within whatever freelancing you're doing or self-employment you're doing and see where's one way that you could make more money within that. Look for an opportunity and take action on it, get results, repeat. If you've got a business or you're planning to start a business, I want you to find one growth opportunity within your business, take action on it, get results, and repeat. So that could be a new marketing method. That could be a new, A/B test or split test on your business. That could be a variety of ways. I just want you to find one growth opportunity within any of these. If you've got a job, freelance, or in business, find one growth opportunity, take action on it, and get results, and then repeat. Find a new growth opportunity. And as usual, like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment below, and I'll give you my 2 cents.